Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel, CIY Reviews. Today I will be doing what I made. I know when I post it, what I'm gonna name it, but yeah, I'm trying it off camera, but I'm gonna try it again for y'all. It was simple. I just took the biscuit dough that's already made. It don't gotta be grands, but yeah, I used biscuit dough and I separated it and I flattened it out with a rolling pin and flattened it out. I just took a spoon and put it on the dough and spread it out like I would put peanut butter on bread and spread it out. I also had some cookie butter cookies and I just crumbled it up and I put those on top of cookie butter cream as well, and I just pretty much just rolled it a little bit. Now some parts is like seeping outside. This is not doing it because I kind of like rolled it pretty good. Okay, yeah, this is not showing it. I rolled it pretty good. Now the other ones, you kind of like seep on the side, but it didn't really matter because I got it both ways. And they ain't like seep out like that. I just put it on 350 for about 10 to 15 minutes, probably like 12 minutes, and it was done. And then what I did, I melted some additional cookie butter and just drizzled it on there, and then took some more cookies and crumbled it on there, and that's what you got here. Something simple, y'all. Some people get things so difficult they don't gotta be. If it ain't broke it, don't fix it. Unless you gonna fix yourself a plate like I just did. I had to wait till it cooled down because it was really hot. You know, just got that stuff in the middle of it. It's so good. This would be so good with a cup of milk, I guess. Well, for y'all, some of y'all like that, but with some iced coffee. Don't mind if I do. Indeed. This is the iced coffee that I made myself. Thank you. Shall you continue? And I will. Delicioso! Good. Just like I thought it would. You already know how buttercream, the cookie butter tastes if you tasted it before. Good. And then the biscuit dough adds like a little bit of saltiness. Just a teensy bit, not too much. Just a little bit. Of course, if you want additional, you feel me, you can put like, but don't put too much. Put like less than half of a pinch. But yeah, this is good though. One thing about Pillsbury dough, this dough, the biscuit dough, is very versatile. You can use it to make hot pockets. Yeah, I did that. Watch this first. Didn't have none over there. You can make dumplings. Now I didn't use these for my dumplings, but I did use the pastries. You can use this for this. You can use it for a lot of stuff. It's very versatile. And this probably ain't gonna be the only thing that I use it for. It's good. Listen to it. 10 on day, baby. Simple and good. Like, share, subscribe to my channel, y'all. Y'all have a blessed day.